Ever wondered about how you can harness the power of the sun? Well, the answer lies in a piece of technology that's been around for a while, but is now becoming more prominent than ever: solar panels. Solar panels are not just shiny objects that sit on your roof. They are powerhouses that convert sunlight directly into electricity. And they do so silently, efficiently, and without any emissions. But that's not the only reason why they are becoming increasingly popular. Imagine cutting down your electricity bills by a significant margin, month after month. Solar panels can make that possible. They generate electricity from sunlight, which is abundant and free. Once the panels are installed, you can start saving on your electricity bills immediately. And over time, these savings can add up to a substantial amount. Beyond the cost savings, solar panels can also give you a certain level of energy independence. They allow you to generate your own electricity, reducing your reliance on the grid. This can be particularly beneficial in areas where power outages are common, or where electricity prices are high. But perhaps the most compelling reason to go solar is its environmental impact. Solar panels produce clean, renewable energy. Unlike fossil fuels, they don't emit harmful greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. By going solar, you can reduce your carbon footprint and do your part in preserving our planet for future generations. The benefits of solar panels are clear. They can save you money, give you energy independence, and help you make a positive impact on the environment. But like any investment, it's important to do your research and find the right solution for your needs. That's where we come in. Our team of experts can guide you through the process, from selecting the right system to installation to maintenance. We're here to help you make the most of your investment in solar energy. So why wait? Harness the power of the sun today. Contact us for a consultation or quote. It's time to shine a light on your energy future.